Hi guys, Freddy Tech back with another video, and here we are talking about Vidco again. So this is an ongoing issue. Now this media news story is from the streamingbetter.com website, and we'll link it down below. Now, as you may recall, or maybe you haven't seen our video, but check it out. A few weeks back we did a video on signing into our account, and we were able to select a package to order, and there was a mention of a $20 first month offer, and it did show in our shopping cart that we would only be billed for $20 for the first month. However, we were not. We were billed for the $84.99, which was the full amount of the package, and we were not able to reach anybody to assist. So not a good situation. We are working with the situation, so hopefully we'll hear back from someone soon. But we don't know what's going on there as far as their customer support goes. There is not much available for their customers right now, and a lot of customers are frustrated with the situation. And we also see that other customers have been billed for the full amount each month while this is going on. So in other words, if you're getting billed on the 5th or whatever part of the month it is, they're still seeing the full amount being billed while this outage is going on. And you know, there is TV anywhere, you can use those apps, but not all of the live channels are available with that. So you're not getting what you're paying for, and it's very frustrating for a lot of customers, and they're starting to lose some faith in the restoration of the service at this point, because they're not really hearing much more about what's going on. We just hear that they're making progress, but we've heard that all along. Now, how much longer can they put off the customers without, mentioning anything else additionally here on what's going on? Now, they're not giving refunds, it appears now, until the service is restored, so that's another problem. So the wait goes on without a date of when that will happen, and the situation can only get worse for them. I'm sure there'll be disputes happening soon because of this, with the charges and all that. So they're only going to mount more problems the longer this goes on, and the confidence from the consumer is going down. And we don't know what's going on. They just raised the price earlier in the year to $69.99, which was the minimum cost for the package, the lowest package, the cheapest plan they had. They seemed like they were doing okay. And they were mentioning now, when this issue happened, they were going to give a 2-week credit and a separate $10 a month credit for each month for the next 6 months. And then recently they said they were waiting on the outage to end before issuing credits. So that's a stall there. We don't know, what if this service never goes back on, fully. We don't know, but we don't want to think that way because the company's not saying that. So we don't want to say that's what's going to happen, because it may not. So it's a waiting game that continues on here. So what are your thoughts on this? Have you tried to order service yourself and didn't realize it, and you went to the website and then you found out you were billed for the full amount? Are you an existing customer and you still can't reach anybody there, and you're still getting billed for the full amount each month while this outage continues? So put your comments down below. We'll keep you updated on this story, so check back here at CFL Tech. If we have anything new, we'll post it as soon as we get it. So hopefully this was helpful and everybody's doing great. Freddy Tech will be checking out of this one soon. We'll be back with another. Take care.